Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your boy One Take One coming at you with a review how to don't do just save your time, money, and frustration. Thanks for tuning in. So big question, at least I know I have it amongst my community with Ducatisti, is the pattern of carbon. So you have obviously Ducati Performance, which is a matte. You have RPM. You have Fullsix. I have a number of different carbon manufacturers, and so what I did was I ordered a bunch of different carbon. So you could see if the pattern is or is not similar or identical. Now me, I like gloss carbon, so that's another reason I had to go outside the Ducati Performance realm, is because Ducati Performance only makes matte carbon. So what we have, just to kind of give you an idea, is we have, this is the heat shield that comes with the Agropovic exhaust. So that's Ducati Performance, that's a matte carbon. Then all of this is, I have this one, and the two wings. So the heat shield and the two wings are from RPM in Thailand, which is a fantastic company. Great customer service. You ask them to do anything, they will. And then this swing arm cover is RPM, it's Fullsix Carbon. So I actually have the front and rear fenders on order for the Fullsix gloss carbon. But I just wanted to let you see, it's a very, very close, if not identical pattern to the Ducati Performance. One thing I would recommend though is when you are ordering carbon, you do want to try and order all the same pieces, or all the pieces for an area of the bike from the same supplier or manufacturer. So for example, if you're ordering the front area, the wings and the fender, you want to order from, you know, the same manufacturer. If you're ordering the swing arm guard and the swing arm cover and the rear fender and possibly the exhaust cover, you want to do it from the same company. Now, I did not. There were pieces I liked in Fullsix that had metal washers on some of the screw holes, which I liked. And then the other pieces I did order from RPM because I did hear great things about them, and I will say their product is very nice. And it arrived in a very reasonable period of time as well. So there is a little bit of a difference that you can see close up when these are next to each other. But ultimately, I mean, I think I'm pretty pleased with, you know, how they, at a glance, you really cannot tell the difference unless you're really getting down and detailed with it. So just want to put this video up, so since I do have a number of different pieces from different carbon manufacturers who do claim to follow the Ducati pattern, and that you make a decision for yourself. So once again, this is off the Agropovic low mount racing exhaust, so that was stock Ducati Performance. And then this one and the wings are RPM from Thailand, and this swing arm cover is Fullsix from Guido at Shift Tech. And the reason I ordered this from them and not from RPM was because it has holes to screw it in, and there are metal washers, so that should help with the stability. Now there isn't one over here, not sure why, but there is one over here. And it also hooks in from the bottom. A lot of the other carbon manufacturers, you use double-sided tape and you stick it on, and I was not a fan of that. So pretty excited. All right, we're going to wait to install this till we get the two fenders, because the rear fender will have to connect with this, but we're going to install these three pieces today. All right, thanks for tuning in.